Hello everyone. Award management module will help in managing the award type with price and having an print report in it. After installing this module, we can see an award management. Let's get into that, where we can see an employee awards. Based on that, you can see in the list view, we can see the name, employee name, and also you can see the award date, type of awards, price type, presented by, and also the amount of price. Okay, and under the configurations, we can do the configurations for type of award as well as the price type. Now let's get into the type of awards. So here I have created an sample type of awards in the name of first prize, second prize, and third prize for the chess competition. Okay, now let's get into that, where you can see the prize type as well as the description of the award can be filled here. Now for creating an prize type, under the configurations you can see an prize types. So where we can create and type, and we can enable the price, and also you can just add an amount of price here. Okay, so after completing the configurations, let's create an employee award. So here we need to give an employee award name. Now let's place an employee award name. So chess competition award, where we need to give an employee name right away here. So once you enter the name of an employee, it will automatically fetch all the informations from that employee itself. Okay. Now here we need to give an award which is in first prize, and here we need to give an award date. Okay, and we need to give and presented by. So here that description will be automatically taken, and where we need to give the award image. So after completing all the things, now let's save this one, and here we can see an option to send an mail to the employee. So after saving this employee award, it will send an mail to that employee. Here you can see the content as congratulations, company organizes that the chess competition award which is taken from the name event, and we are delighted that you have received the best first prize in the chess award. Now you can see the certificates, that is the images that we have attached. Okay, and here you can see the report of it. In this report you can see all the informations about this particular award, like award date, award price type, amount, and also type of award presented by, and also the employee details as well as the award description will be there in this particular report. In this way, we can make use of this module to help in managing the award type with price and having the print report in it. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.